What's going on? So we're here checking out the build, little update, got some whole parts to show you. Nothing too crazy, but check it out. Some things coming together because cars coming together. So let's take a look. So right here, got the S1 built trailing arms. You see it right there. Definitely nice spherical bushings. Even the K-Tune redone gold spherical bushings right here. Thinking about trying to do something with the hardware in here. So I'm gonna get with MPC and see what we can do about that. Right there, you see we got the new steering rack situation coming together. Here go the other K-Tune arms. Nice bushings in there, gold to go complement that green. List of parts up here that we have going in here. Bushings just went in. Powder coating shop made it fucking shit ton difficult than it had to be, but those are in. Then the engine bay eventually will have an engine in it, of course. So still want to be working on that. Shit ton of parts over here. Lost motion kit gonna be going in. Bottom part of the timing cover. Some more hardware for starter and alternator, which has to be dropped off. Bunch of stuff up here, new black throttle body, you've seen all that. Just a bunch of parts going on. Of course, we got the coils right here because you know we're going to a different ignition system for the car altogether. Those hoses and everything will be the same. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this colored on. Everything, two black, two green, two gold. A little something in there to break it up. As you see on this side, still S1 trailing arms right there, looking pretty damn good. So it's coming together. We'll see how it looks soon. Transmission and stuff is looking pretty good. Got refreshed up here. So there we go. Hardware. New clutch. Got rid of the competition shit clutch. Torque marks on here, of course, professionally done. Everything's coming good. This is getting ready to come off. Sending this to powder coat. And we'll be addressing this side of the cam and gears, thinking about hardware for here as well, and cut notched out for the K-Tune belt tensioner. Don't want to lose the belt tensioner. Don't want to lose the belt tensioner because we don't want to lose the situation with the B series, B20 specifically, jumping a tooth, messing up timing, and screwing everything else up. Fluid dampener will be going on here. Got rid of that other pulley system. So yeah, it's looking pretty good, coming along pretty nicely. Slow and steady. People, stop asking me or saying it's taking too long. If you have a wide body going on, let me know how long it's taking you to complete your wide body, and then we'll compare notes. Stop asking me for my color code. It's not a code. It's different, okay? We got codes, we got mixes and lays. It's a complete different process, but it's, you know, I'm not giving that out right now, so don't ask me for it. I do appreciate the compliments on it. Do appreciate everything people have been doing as far as encouragement, motivation and positive energy coming, but no, I'm not giving up my color mixture that took me a month and hundreds of dollars to develop, especially for free. Now, if you want the old color code, which is still not even just a code, there's still codes, mixtures, and lays, which is this one. You can hit me up at Wolfpack Inquiries, or you can hit me up on IG and you can buy that one. It is $40, and I'll give you the codes, the mixture, and how to lay it. All right. Peace. Thanks for tuning in and watching another video here at Wolfpack Performance. Check out some of my other content on Formula One issues, our topics, and our DIY products on how to customize your vehicle. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you soon.